previous video, we showed you how to create a LiteCash wallet on Windows 10. Today, I'm going to show you how to restore your wallet if you happen to lose your wallet, deleted the files, or need to recover your wallet on a new installation or a new Windows machine. Keep in mind that restoring a wallet is generally recommended to be done on the same platform as the previous wallet. So for example, if you created the wallet on Windows, it's recommended to restore the wallet on Windows and not necessarily cross-platform. This is originally designed to be able to recover your wallet, and then you can use the recovered wallet to transfer your funds. So we open the LiteCash wallet.exe file from the folder, and then we click Restore Wallet. Your funds will be fully restored from the blockchain. The transaction history and addresses are stored only locally, hence can't be restored. That's the final version till the future validation end process. So basically what it's saying here is that you'll restore your wallet, you'll get your balance, but you won't have the transaction history or the UTXOs or transaction IDs or anything like that. So click Restore Wallet, and it's going to ask us for our seed words, which we saved from the last time in a secure place. We have to type them all in. Keep in mind that this is simply a test wallet, and there will be no use of this after these videos are completed. There. Once we have them all typed in, we click Next. Now we have to create a new password. Click Next. Again, we're going to run an integrated node. We're going to leave the settings to default. Restore wallet. And now we will have to sync to the blockchain again. All right, so now that we're synchronized with the blockchain, we can see here that we have the 5 cash available in the wallet that we had when we transferred in the previous video. And of course, as mentioned, we no longer see the transaction history. However, your balance will be there and you'll be good to go. Thank you very much.